Hey guys, so yesterday something happened to me while I was driving from Jacksonville back home. That actually this old RainX wiper blade, I think it's 6, 7 years old. What happened is it actually snapped out, folded over, and laid like this on the windshield. What happened? Let me see that I can zoom you guys in. Let me flip around so I can see what I'm doing. So, let me stand here. This metal clip snaps into this RainX, and there's a plastic safety pin, and that one broke. The rest is fully functional. So you just push it in, you slide, and it clicks in normally, but because this pin is broke, it just wants to slide back out. Beauty with these RainX is that they are universal, and universal in two ways. You can see the lip. This is a 21-inch long one, and the beauty is you can actually pull the lip out and replace that with, on eBay you can buy the silicone lip. This is a 6mm wide one for roughly $1 a piece, and you just buy multiple ones and then you have plenty of those in stock, and you just replace as you go, and you can still reuse the same windshield wiper. One reason why I like the RainX. So yesterday I bought at Walmart this model, and you're gonna see a short video sequence. It has a either production flaw or a production design flaw. I don't know for sure. The water in this area here, you'll see it in the video recorded from the inside. It wipes up and then it pulls the water back into the glass. But the new mechanism on this one is very similar. It's a universal one. Let's see if I can reopen this one here. Ow. Need a flathead. You can fit that onto any of your cars because it has a universal mount. Just pop it in, pull it out, and that's the new universal mount. Same principle, and the lip also is just clipped in, which is why I buy these. So later on I might just replace this lip with the other one I have. All you do is you pull back. Not sure if you can see it. So you could just pull back. This clip sits on the end, just on, and this one is tighter calculated. Plastic is much closer to the lip, so you might have to modify your model a little bit. So if you need easy access, always use the bottom part, because when you wipe, the force of the lip goes outwards. So if you need access, always do it on the bottom part of your wiper so that you can gain access. I'm looking at this at maybe production flaw, because what I see, not sure if you can see it in camera, it's warped. So the lip is warped, so most likely this is a production flaw. But what I do is I replace these by just going back further enough. As you can see now, I pushed it far enough back. Now you can take the lip out. This will save you a bunch of money by just replacing this lip. And this lip is a 6mm wide one. So now if I take my other lip, which was perfectly fine, I just replaced it not even 2 months ago. You just pull it out, take the RainX one out, take the other one you have, and just slide it in like so, and then you cut it to size to fit in. So this one is a little too long, so you cut it off with your scissors, When you buy the universal ones, they come in 3-foot sections. But when you have the lip replaced, instead of wasting a whole windshield wiper, you just replace your lip. Saves you a ton of money. And if you just replace the mechanical part every, let's say, 5 years, that's a lot of money you can save. So back, I just cut this end a little shorter. This way it just goes in, you just pull it back, it goes into the slide. Now you have your lip all the way in. So you just make sure it's the right length. Flip it up. In this case, this is on a Dodge Magnum. Just push clip it in, and then when you have your lip replaced, you don't have to go back to RainX on a product exchange. I'll replace and repair this one maybe later on, but for now this just goes in. This unit cost me, including taxes, yesterday $16.50, and is Latitude 21-inch long. So when you replace your old windshield wipers, just measure quickly with a measuring tape from here to here, or on the other wipers as well, pretty much your length, and so you know what to get. Most come now with not sure if the camera picks it up right away, with a universal clip. So here on the back side you can see it gives you all the different hooks it can hook up to, but they work great. Every now and then you're gonna have a faulty product, but let's get some water on the windshield and let's see if that problem of the drag is gonna stop after I replace the lip. Alright guys, I have you back on. We're on a normal interval right now with the windshield wiper, with the new blade on. Alright, let's see if this one is still dragging backwards or not. Nope, it no longer drags the fluid back from here out. This is all dry now. So it was only the lip. So, easy fix. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good one.